Hello students, welcome back to your English class. Today will be the third part of the first lesson of second unit for class 8 CBSE board. Today we will be reading the third part. We had already done with the first and second part in our last two classes. We had already learned about Tilly Smith and some other families who were residing in the Andaman and Nicobar Island. In this particular part, we are going to read some more experiences of the people. Third part goes on such. Look carefully at the picture of the boy and his dog and try to describe the things that you see using just words and phrases. Either the teacher or one of the student can write down the word and phrases on the blackboard. This is an classwork activity. So let's start. This is how you can start. Calm, blue sea, ruined hearts. These are the things which we can see in the picture. So the text goes on like this. Before the giant waves slammed into the coast in India and Sri Lanka, wild and domestic animals seemed to know that what was about to happen. It was the animals who could sense about the tsunami from before. They fled to safety. According to a eyewitness account, elephants screamed and ran for higher grounds. Dogs refused to go outdoors. Flamingos abandoned their low-lying breeding areas, and zoo animals rushed into their shelter and could not be enticed to come back out. These were the activities of the animals which were much peculiar than their normal activities before the tsunami waves hit the coast of Sri Lanka or India. Many people believe that animals possess a sixth sense and know when the earth is going to shake. Some experts believe that animals' more acute hearing helps them to hear or feel the earth's vibration because the animal they can hear more acute sound, the sounds which we cannot hear. They even can sense and hear those sounds or vibrations, and thus they can sense the disaster forthcoming. We cannot be sure whether animals have a sixth sense or not. We are not sure because it is not proven, but we sense it. But the fact is that the giant waves that rolled through the Indian Ocean killed more than 150,000 people, that is 150,000 people in a dozen countries, almost in dozen countries in or out Indian Oceans. Almost 150,000 or 150,000 people were killed, but not many animals have been reported dead. Along India's Cuddalore coast, where thousands of people perished, buffaloes, goats, and dogs were found unharmed. The buffaloes, goats, even dogs, they were found unharmed. In Yala National Park in Sri Lanka is the home to a variety of animals including elephant, leopards and 130 species of birds. 60 visitors were washed away from the Patangala beach inside the park. From the Patangala beach inside the park, almost 60 visitors were washed away. But no animal carcasses were found except for two water buffaloes. Only two water buffaloes, that is hippopotamus. Other than that, all were safe. About an hour before the tsunami hit, people at Yala National Park had observed three elephants running away from the Patangala beach. Three elephants, they were moving inside the island to higher place to be safe. A Sri Lankan gentleman who lives on the coast near Galley said his two dogs would not go for their daily run on the beach. They are usually excited to go on this outing. He said that the two dogs he had, they were very eager to go out in the morning into the beach for running, but that particular day they were not eager to go, which shows that they sensed something mishappening. But on that day they refused to go and most probably saved his life, as they did not go, as the dog did not went out, so the owner's life was also saved. So these were the stories of the tsunami struck in 2004. So hope you all would go on with the lesson. And that's all for today. Thank you.